सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ओम शांति शांति शांतिः। विद्यानामनरस्य रूपमधिकं प्रच्छन्नगुप्तं धनं विद्या भोगकरी यशस्सुखकरी विद्या गुरूणां गुरुः विद्या बन्धुजनो विदेशगमने विद्या परा देवता विद्या राजसुपूजिता न तु धनं विद्या विहीनः पशुः। नमस्कार, स्वागतम। किं कृतं गतकक्षायां 24 श्लोकः पठितः। पदच्छेदः, पदपरिचयः, आकांक्षा। आकांक्षां यावत् वयं कृतवन्तः। अद्य अन्वयः करणीयः। तत्पूर्वं मन्ये कोशः लेखनीयः अस्ति। गतश्लोकस्य 1:40 श्लोकस्य कोशः पृष्ठाङ्कः 190-200 पृष्ठाङ्कः। श्रीनिवास, तत्र कोशः अस्ति, थर्ड पार्ट कोशः। देयर आर 2 words only with synonyms given. कुलं पंडितः। एतौ द्वौ शब्दौ तत्र विवृत्य अग्रे द्वयोः शब्दयोः केचन पर्याय शब्दाः अपि दत्ताः सन्ति। पृष्ठसङ्ख्या 261 वा? 292 न उत्तर 291। थर्ड पार्ट कोश। फर्स्ट वर्ड कुलम। मन्ये इतः पूर्वम् आगतम् एतत् पदम्। I think this word is, but still repetition does not matter. कुल्यते बन्धुवर्गो अनेनेति। So the relations are collected together, or people are made to behave like relatives. That is the sense in which it is used, and the dhatu is kula. Iti dhatuhu samsthyane. And which means, meaning this is first class parasmaypada, to collect and to behave like a relative. Kolati. Kulyate is passive, kolati sanghi bhavati kulam. And there is one more interpretation for this. Kolati sanghi bhavati. Unified. The family is unified. Sanghi. Sanghi bhavati. So this is how this word kulam is interpreted. Then we move on to abhijanaha. Abhijanaha is explained. Abhijanyate aneneti. One is born because of this, Anvaya, Avijana is, one is born because of this. Jana dhatu, that you can understand. Janyate. So, what is the next word, Srinivas? Anvaya. अन्वयः अन्वीयते अन्वीयते again same type of derivation here अनेनेति with this people are united again the same thing इणगतौ इणगतौ इति धातु अनु उपसर्ग here अन्वीयते. So this is the word for anvayah, which is paryaya shabda for kulam. Then we move to panditah. Panditah we have analyzed panda yasya asti iti panditah, but here different derivation is found in the kosha. Pandate nama janati. Pandate janati. Padigatau. Padi pandi gatau. This is the dhatu given. And this is Atmanepada, first conjugation Atmanepada. The meaning, there is one more also, Pandagata also is there. One who knows, I think that is also will take. The 10th, one more dhatu is there, Prathama Gana as well as Dashama Gana. We have this Pandat in these ganas. Nashane, the meaning is Nashane Samhataucha. In this sense, this Panda dhatu is given. So we have the meaning in English is to destroy, nashane. Now one may have a doubt, what does a Pandita destroys? To collect. So we are given to understand, Srinivas. Pandayati, and if you take Pandati and Pandayati, the Latlakara rupas are like this. Pandati, Parasmai Pada. 10th conjugation, if you take Dashamagana, Pandayati. How do you understand this? Panda to Nashane?
Yeah.
Samghatau. Panditaha, Saha Panditaha, Yaha Ajnanam Nashayati iti. Pandati. Pandati athava Pandate, Pandayati, Ajnanam Nashayati iti. Nashanarte. Samghatau, to collect. In that sense you have to Panditaha kim karoti jnanam shastrartan achinoti, chinoti. Tatra samghato nama chinoti. He collects the meanings of the shastras. In that sense also Pandita is beautifully explained. Then what is following? Prajna. You have to wipe and go. Prajna Shabda is also very frequently used in our study, either literature or in even Shastra Adhyayana. Prajna. Prakarshena Janati. It has come earlier. Prakarshena Janati iti. And there is one more, knows very deeply, in detail. Jna dhatu is involved here. 9th conjugation, Jna avabodhane. Ava bodhane, janati, etc. Ninth conjugation, ubhayapada. So prajnaha. One more interpretation for this is prajna eva prajnaha. Prajna word itself is prajna, that is how it is interpreted. Then another word coming up, Srinivas. Paryaya pada for this. Sankhyavan. Sankhyavan. Prashasta. Sankhya. Sankhya nama vicharana. Asya asti iti. Asya asti iti. This is how it is interpreted. Sankhyavan. Dirgha is not. Asya asti iti. A man who has a good thought, prashasta, who has an excellent vicharana, thought, is Sankhyavan. So that is done. This is over, I think. Yeah, we have finished with this question. We move on now. Annoyat, Srinivas. $295 each. नृपतिः दौर्मन्त्र्यात् विनश्यति.
नृपतिः दौर्मन्त्र्यात् विनश्यति.
इत्थमेव
यदि संगा सुतः लाभः विप्रः अनध्ययेन.
So it goes on. So we have already done it. Nrupatihi daurmantriyat vinashyati. Now this vinashyati will be understood after every other phrase like. Nrupatihi daurmantriyat vinashyati. A king is destroyed by wrong counsel. Ithameva, in the similar manner, evameva, itham nama evameva, yatihi, sannyasi, sangat vinashyati. Sutah lalanat vinashyati. Vipraha anadhyenat vinashyati.
Kulam
vinashyati.
Sheelam
Kalopaseva. Kalopasanat. Kalanam upasanat. Kalopasanat. Seelam, character, conduct of a person is destroyed by being in the company of the wicked people, by serving the wicked people. Hrihi. So intoxication destroys the modesty of a person, the shyness of a person. He loses the sense of shame once he becomes drunk. Even the agriculture also gets totally destroyed, being neglected, with total neglect. One's affection for another person is also destroyed by going to foreign land. Thus we discussed. In those days there was no communication. Yeah. And friendship with no trust. Pranaya could be love and affection, but trust is better. Friendship is destroyed by due to lack of trust between the friends. Prosperity of a person, however prosperous one may be, due to a wrong decision, wrong policy, anaya, or due to bad management of money, is destroyed. Pramadat. And in the case of the hard cash, money is either destroyed by way of tyaga by way of giving it to the wrong persons or by negligence, negligent, careless expenditure. By careless expenditure, pramadat or tyagat, apatra tyagat, danat, apatra danat. So one has to be very careful with this. Padartha, Srinivas, Nrupatihi.
Raja.
Nrun pati iti nrupatihi. Nru shabda. Nru, na, narau, naraha. Nru shabda is rukaranta. Naram, narau, nrun, nra, nrubhyam, nrubihi, nre, nrubhyam, nrubi. So it is tongue twisting exercise. So ekavachana na, naram, nra, nre, nuhu, nuhu, nari, nari, saptamyam, nari iti. So krupaya pashyantu ayam etam shabdam shabdamanjaryam yasyam kasyam api shabdamanjaryam nrushabdah dattaha bhavati is given. So Nrupatihi Raja Ranjayati iti Raja Janan Lokan Prajaha Ranjayati iti Ranjana Karanat Raja bhavati. One who entertains and keeps the subjects always happy, he is called the king. What a wonderful definition we get in Mahabharata. Raja Ranjanat. Now we have studied so many panchamis in this sloka. Lalanat, Daurmantriyat. Raja Kasmat Ranjanat Raja Bhavati. A king is called king because of his Ranjana quality, that pleasing quality, entertaining quality. Since he entertains, every government, every king should entertain his people, keep them cheerful. So Rajan Shabda is like Daurmantriyat, Asamichinataya, Durmantra Sevanat, otherwise Vinashyati,
Vinasham
Upayati, Vinashameti, Yatihi, Sannyasi, Samnyasi. Sangat, Sutaha, Putraha, Lalanat, Atiprema Darshanat, otherwise Vipraha, Anadhyayanat, Veda Shastradi Abhavat, Veda Shastradhyayana Abhavat, due to a negligence of the Vedas and the Shastras, by not studying, of course. Kulam Vamshaha. Kutanayat, Kuputra. There is a saying, Kuputro Jayeta Kvachidapi Kumatana Bhavishyati. You know that? Quotation. Kuputro Jayeta Kvachidapi. Sometime a bad son may be born. But when it comes to mother, Kumatana Bhavishyati, there will be no bad mother in relation to her children. Understand? No bad mother will be there, but a bad son can be found. How do you understand this statement? A bad son, Kuputra, with relation to his parents, not looking after the parents, harassing the parents, is a Kuputra. But no mother will ever harass her son. In that sense, Kuputro Kvachidapi Jayeta, sometimes he may be born. Kumatana Bhavishyati. No bad mother will be there in the earth. Because every mother, however bad she may be personally, is good to the children. But every son need not be good to the mother. We are seeing now so many parents left uncared, unlooked, without, etc. So that is a state. Kuputra. Next. Sheelam. Sadacharaha. Khalopasanat. Sevanat. Hrihi. Madhyat. Krushihi api. Hala Krushta. No. Hala halena krustam kshetramapi, the field plowed by the plowshare. Hala. Halena krustam kshetramapi. Anavekshanat. Punaha adarshanath. Punaha punaradarshanath. Again and again, not caring. Avekshanam means attention. Avekshanam means lack of. Anavekshanat means lack of attention. If you don't give attention to the agriculture, that will get destroyed. Krushi, karma. Sneha, prema, pravasasrayat, nivasat, tadanim, teshu dineshu. Prema, sneha, pravasa asrayat, videsha, paradesha, videsha, videsha, paradesha is videsha. Maitricha, api, friendship also, apranayat, prema abhavat, due to lack of affection or trust. Some scholar rightly translated this as trust. Although pranaya means both love and affection also. Samruddhihi, Aishwaryam, prosperity. Anayat, Viparitacharat, by not following the moral conduct. Niti viparita acharat. Nitehe viparita acharat. Dhanam, vittam, money. Tyagat, vyayat. Ati vyayat, you can say excessive. Pramadat cha, due to lack of attention, carelessness. Vinashyati, vinashameti. So, evam rupena kaha kaha, kaka, kim kim, katham, kasmat, kasmat, karanat, tatra vinashameti. Asmin sloke, bahu sundaram, bhartruhi mahakavina, uktam asti, Srinivas, bhavartam patit.
Rajya sanmantrana karya nochet saha satvarameva vinashto bhavati. Raja, Rajna, Shamatam, Rajna, Trutiya, Rajna, some sanmantrana karya. A king should be well advised. A king should be advised well. No chet, this is an avyaya, Srinivas, which means otherwise. No chet, saha raja, satvarameva, shigrameva, vinashtaha bhavati. Nashtaha bhavati, luptaha bhavati, becomes destroyed. Ithameva yatina asaktihi pariharya. Ithameva, evameva, evam prakarena eva, yatihi, sannyasi api, sannyasinapi, asaktihi, attachment, pariharya, parityaktavya, should be avoided. In the similar manner, sannyasi should avoid attachment. Putrasya anuchitam. Putrasya atilalanam anuchitam. To a son, for a son, atilalanam, too much of fondling, too much of loving is very improper. Viprena adhyayanam kartavyam. Viprena brahmanena adhyayanam, nityam adhyayanam kartavyam iti. Brahmana should always take to study. Now I supplemented this statement. Any educated man is indicated by this word brahmana, should update his knowledge. Last class I told you, every software engineer, every medico should keep on updating his knowledge, otherwise he will become a out of the box. This is not simply applicable to a brahmana. Yes. We should apply it to all the scientific and people, professional people here. Then Suputrena Vamshonnatihi Bhavati. With a good son, the upliftment of the family takes place. Sheelam Sajjana Sangat Samabhivardati. Sheelam Sajjana Sangat Samabhivarti. Character, but why is he giving Bhavartha? Okay. Character gets boosted with the association of good people, otherwise it gets destroyed. Yati Sangat, etc. Nirlajjaha Bhavati. So Purushaha Madhya Sevanat Nirlajjaha Bhavati. But I also interpreted this in light of that Sukt, what you call the sutras of Charaka Sutra, where Madhyam Saujanya Jananam Sreshtham. So even Charaka recommends taking medicine, wine or liquor, to keep up the health of the mind. So it should be taken in a proper dose. He means to say, Charaka is saying that. Not that all silly people, drink to the brim and then, do all gimmicks. What I quoted also last class, if you remember. One motivator said, drinking makes a man lose his inhibitions and give exhibitions. So they start behaving like monkeys and donkeys and whatnot when ordinary people get totally drunk. So that is the thing, Srinivas, here. Where are we stopped? Krushihi, Krushi Karma, Punaha Punaha Rakshitavyam iti. So agriculture should be again and again watched, only then you get the good crop. Sneharthina. So Sneharthina, Vidyarthina, like a person who wants to be friendly, Chirakalam for a long time, Pravase, Videshi, na stheyam. He should not stay in foreign land if he wants to be friendly with his people. So that is interpreted here, coming with the previous sentence. Maitri Samrakshanartham, Sneha Samrakshanartham, for protecting the friendship, Sneha Vruddhihi Karya. Sneha Vruddhihi Karya means the friendship should be grown. The word Sneha means Tailam in Sanskrit. So it is interpreted, as long as there is love and affection between two people, there will be no misunderstanding. Sneha works literally like a lubrication. Sneha means oil also. Understand? So when there is Sneha, means love and affection between two people, it does not allow any friction between them. Srinivas, like oil lubricant, oil lubricates the parts and does not give scope to friction. In the same way, between two people, if there is Sneha, love and affection, that will not give rise to friction and then break up. So that is, you should understand that. Next.
Samruddhi kamaihi janaihi samuchita nitihi
Anusartavya. Samruddhi kamaihi janaihi. People who want to be progress, achieve progress, janaihi samuchita nitihi. Proper policy, anusartavya, should be followed.
Dhanam anavadhanata purvakat vyayat cha vinashtam bhavati.
Dhana Vishaye, as far as the money is concerned, anavadhanata purvakat, due to lack of attention, vyayat, and due to expenditure, what you call unthoughtful, foolish expenditure, vinashtam bhavati. You remember I told here about Warren Buffett, what he said about money. Remember that? If you buy things you do not want, you will end up in selling things you need. So unnecessary buying and etc. Anglam. Okay, we will not touch that. Vakarnamsha Srinivas. Sandayah. Daurmantryan Nrupatihi.
Daurmantriyat plus Nrupatihi Shutva Sandhihi.
Nrupatir Vinashyati.
Nrupatihi plus Vinashyati Visarga Sandhihi.
Vipro Anadhyanat.
Vipro plus
Anadhyanat.
Purva Rupa Sandhihi.
Again it is there. Vipro Anadhyanat.
Vipraha
Anadhyanat.
Visarga Sandhihi. Purva Rupa plus
Yes, and then in Purva Rupa, what is happening that avagra is put there. An avagra is put. Kutanayat Chilam
Kutanayat plus Shinam
Shutva Khalopasanat Khala
plus Upasanat
Gunasan Hrir Madhyat.
Hrihi plus Madhyat Visarga.
Sorry. What is it? Madhyad Anavekshanat.
Madhyat plus Anavekshanat.
Jastva. Anavekshanadapi.
Anavekshanat plus Api Jasva.
Pravasashrayan Maitri.
Pravashasrayat plus Maitri Anunasika Sami.
Chapranayat. Cha
Cha plus
Apranayat.
Samvidha.
Samruddhiranayat.
Samruddhi plus Anayat.
Pramadat Dhanam.
Pramadat plus Dharam Jasva.
Samasaha Bhava Santi. Daurmantriyat is explained as Purvapada Karmadaraya. Durmantrasya Bhavaha Daurmantriyam Tasmat Daurmantriyat. So Dushtaha Mantraha Durmantraha. Mantra here not our mantra, but here counseling, advice. Anadhyayanat. Na adhyayanam. Khalopasanat.
Khalanam upasanam khalopasanam shishti tatpusha
Tasmat.
khalopasanam.
Anadhyayanat.
Anadhyanam
Naitatpusha.
tasmat anadhyanat.
Then we have
Anavekshanat.
Anavekshanat. Na avekshanam. Anavekshanam.
Tasmat anavekshanat.
Pravasashrayat.
Pravasasya ashrayah pravasashrayah shishti.
You remember something? Pravasa Bharatiya. We make pravasa, that is. This is the same word. Apranayat. Apranayaha. Tasmat. Anayat. All negatives are here. Nrupatihi. This is, yeah, Shashti Tatpusha. Nrunam Patihi. Krudantaha. Nrupatihi. Tin. Yatihi. Yam. Yatihi. Okay. Adhyanam. Adhi. Initi dhatu. Lyut. Upasanam. Upa. Asa iti dhatu. Lyut. Madhyam. Yes. Madhyati iti latlakare madhyati. Anavekshanam na an.
Anito upasarga, avaito upasarga, iksha iti dhatu lyut.
Okay, taditantani trini. Daurmantriyat.
Durmantra.
Shan bhave. Durmantrasya bhava we have already seen Daurmantra. Maitri, Mitra plus Stritva Vivakshayam Nip. So when you have to make that to convert into a feminine noun, Nip comes and then Stritva Vivakshayam, when you have to make it to Strilinga, Maitri. Maitram becomes Maitri in Strilinga. Samruddhihi.
Sam iti upasarga, rudha dhatu, tinnanta samruddhi.
Rudha iti dhatu, rudha, that. Rudha vruddhau, to prosper. Sam upasarga, rudha vruddhau, ktin, samruddhihi, prosperity. Chandaha, shardula vikritam, gnatapurvam, koshaha, asti punahatra. Yatihi.
Ye nirjitendriya
Gramaha.
Yatino yatayaschate.
Ye nirjitendriya gramaha yatinaha yatayaschate. This is the word given. Now yatam indriya vijayaha samyamaha. Sorry. Yatam means indriya samyamaha. Yatam itself is yam dhatu ktanta. Yatam. Yesham asti iti te yatinaha. Those who have this self control of the senses, they are called the yati. How is it explained? Yatam indriya samyamaha. Indriyanam samyamaha yatamiti uchyati. Yesham etad yatam vartate asti te yatayaha. Those people who have the control over their senses, they are called yatis. Not that Himalayan yati. There is one, what do you call, fable, I don't know. The people say that yati, some joint figure, monkey-like figure lives in the Himalaya. So that is yati. Then one more interpretation for this is, first is yatinahana. Yati is only. Yachanti indriyebhyaha iti yatayaha. Srinivas. Yachanti, check. Indriyebhyaha iti. They check themselves from the senses. Iti yatayaha. In the above case, I said yatayaha, yatinaha is better. Yatam indriya samyamaha yesham asti iti yatayaha. So, the same thing interview here. Nirjitendriya grama, people who have controlled senses, they are yatinaha, yatayascha. In one sentence it is explained. Yam uparame Srinivas. Yachanti indriyebhyaha iti yatayaha. Then, next word. Sheelam we have already explained. No, that is the meaning there. Nirjita indriya gramaha yatinaha. People who have control over their senses, they are called yatinaha, yatayascha. They are also called yatayaha. Further explanation given in the kosha is yatam indriya samyamaha yesham asti iti te yatinaha. And yachanti indriyebhyaha iti yatayaha. So people who check themselves, control themselves from the sense organs, they are called yatis. Next, down there, Hrihi will take Srinivas. Now you know the famous explanation given by Dharmaraja, Hrihi akarya nivartanam. I often quote, last class also. Hrihi akarya nivartanam. Withdrawing oneself from wrongdoing is called sense of shame. Now here, the kosha, mandaksham.
Hristrapa, brida, lajja, sapatrapanyataha.
So, mandam aksham vak yatra. Mandam aksham. Aksham means sense organ. Mandam aksham means vak yatra, mandaksham. That means when you are a man of shame, when you feel shy, you speak very slowly. No man who has got the sense of shame speaks loudly like a commoner. That is the meaning here, mandaksham means. Understand? Beautifully explained. Mandam, aksham, nama indriyam, vak, yatra. Where people speak very softly, gently. That is called mandaksham. Why do they speak? Because of the shyness. It is very impolite to speak in public loudly, isn't it? It's a matter of what they call in English, Srinivas, etiquette. A matter of etiquette not to speak loud in public. So that is mandaksham. Hrihi, you know what is hrihi? Hrihi, it is explained. Jihretiti hrihi, hri lajjayam. The dhatu is there, hri, which means lajjayam, to feel shy. Hri means to feel shy. Then trapa. Hri is trapa, Srinivas. Hrihi trapa. Trapush, dhatu is there, lajjayam, to feel shy. So trapush, trapate, trapa. Trapate iti trapa. Where one feels shy. That is called trapa. Vrida. Vridayati iti vrida. Vrida chodane lajjayam cha. Vrida to throw, to be ashamed. Srinivas. Vrida chodane lajjayam cha. To feel ashamed and also to throw. And what is throwing here? I think a man of vrida or trapa or lajja does not throw words like that, does not speak irrelevantly, speaks because the very first opening that what is the mandaksham, one who speaks very gently, speaks of this. So vrida chodane lajjayam cha, so to throw and to be ashamed. And some interpretation is that vrida is that which encourages you to speak good things maybe. Then last one is here. No, trapa is over. Lajja is lajjati, to feel shy. Sa, the last one is apatrapa, Srinivas. We have already discussed this. Trapa. Hri, after Hri, this word is there. Look. Mandaksham Hri is trapa. Trapa means trapate iti trapa. Trapa to feel shy. Vrida also means same thing. Lajja also means same thing. The last one, sa apatrapa anyataha. There is one more word, apatrapa, Srinivas. Apatrapa means nikrusta trapa apatrapa. Nikrusta trapa apatrapa means very, what do you say, modest shyness is called apatrapa. In Telugu Bhashayam evam asti chedda siggu. Chedda siggu. It is not simply siggu, but chedda siggu is called apatrapa. No, it is like this, Srinivas. Apatrapa is a paryaya pada for lajja and trapa. When you are before unknown people, there are some people, when they are mixing with unknown people, they feel shy. You get the point?
Yeah.
When you are moving with unknown people, you feel shy. Some, especially ladies, feel shy in the company of unknown people. How do they feel? They feel totally shyful, bashful. So that is called this apatrapa. Apatrapa. Apatrapa is explained, nikrusta trapa apatrapa. Bashful, modest. Bashfulness or modest. So these are the words for sense of shame. Mandaksham, hrihi, trapa, vrida, lajja. Sa, another one is apatrapa anyataha. There is one more like apatrapa. Panchami Vishaya. This writing we will do, or I will supply both together next class. Abhyasaha eka chatvarimsha. Samaya padachedam karot.
गौर्मन्त्र्यात् नृपतिः विनश्यति यदिः संगात् सुतः लालनात् विप्रः अनध्ययनात् कुलं कुतनयात् शीलं खल उपासनात्
ह्रीः
मद्यात् अनवेक्षणात् अपि ऋषिः स्नेहः प्रवासाश्रयात् मैत्री च अप्रणयात्
समृद्धिः
अनयात् त्यागात् प्रमादात्
धनम् यथा निर्देशम पदानि. ओके. पंचमी एकवचन. Oh, there are so many now you can pick up. पंचमी एकवचन पदानि. Opening with दौर्मन्त्र्यात्, संगात्, लालनात्, अनध्ययनात्, कुतनयात्, खलोपासनात्, मद्यात्, अनवेक्षणात्, प्रवासाश्रयात्, चाप्रणयात्, अनयात्, त्यागात्, प्रमादात्. Oh my God. How many can you count?
Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
तत्र त्रयोदश पदानि शब्दाः पंचम्या पंचमी विभक्तौ तत्र सर्वेपि एते शब्दाः सर्वेपि पंचमी विभक्तौ सन्ति, एकवचने सन्ति. पदानि पंचमी. इदानीं प्रथमा एकवचनरूपाणि. नृपतिः, यतिः, Sutah, Vipraha.
Hrihi is what?
Hri is the Strilinga, but what is here? You can take Hri, you can take Prathama Ekavachane. Hri.
Krushihi.
Krushihi, Snehaha, Maitri, Samruddhihi,
Dhanam.
Antato gatva Dhanam iti. Yeah. Etavanti padani तत्र स्त्रीलिंग पदानि अपि सन्ति तत्र प्रथम एकवचने सन्ति पंचमी एकवचने प्रथम एकवचने तावन्तः शब्दाः सन्ति थर्ड वन श्लोकाधारेण रिक्तस्थानानि पूर्णं नृपतिः विनश्यति दौर्मन्त्र्यात् नृपतिः संगात् कः विनश्यति यतिः सुतः कथं विनश्यति लालनात् विप्रः कस्मात् विनश्यति अनध्ययन कुलं कथं विनश्यति कोष्टकस्तेभ्यः पदेभ्यः उचितम् ओके शीलं डैश खलोपासनात् विनश्यति ह्रीः आई थिंक यस पुट सम हियर स्प्लिट अप मध्यात् देन डैश अनवेक्षणात् विनश्यति कृषिः मतिः बुद्धिः बुद्धि आल्सो मति बुद्धि आल्सो अनवेक्षणात् विनश्यति वेरी गुड मैत्री यात्री न धात्री न यस मैत्री इज द ओनली करेक्ट आंसर समाधत्त आंसर दिस यतिः कथं विनश्यति यतिः न यतिः संगात् यतिः संगात् विनश्यति विप्रः कथं विनश्यति अनध्ययनात् विनश्यति कुलं कथं विनश्यति खलोपास कुतनयात् ह्रीः कथं विनश्यति ह्रीः मद्यात् स्नेहः कथं विनश्यति मैत्री कथं विनश्यति धनं कथं विनश्यति त्यागात् प्रमादात् च धनं विनश्यति विग्रहवाक्य समास दुर्मन्त्रः दुष्टः मन्त्रः दुर्मन्त्रः दुष्टः मन्त्रः दुर्मन्त्रः खलोपासनात् खलानां खलानाम् उपासनं श्रीनिवास यस अनध्ययनात् तस्मात् अनवेक्षणात् प्रवासाश्रयात् अप्रणयात् अनयात् अनयात् इति अग्रे गत्वा श्लोके विद्यमानान् तद्धितान्तान् कृदन्तान् च शब्दान् लिखत ओके फर्स्ट तद्धितान्तास् दौर्मन्त्र्यं दुर्मन्त्र शन ओके मैत्री मित्र अण मैत्रम समृद्धिः रुद्ध रुद्ध सम प्लस रुद्ध प्लस क्तिन संधि विच्छेदं कृत्वा नामलेखनं नृपतिर्विनश्यति श्रीनिवास विसर्ग विप्रोनध्ययनात् विप्रः और पूर्व रूप संधि कुतनयात् शीलम् शुत्व संधि खलोपासनं खल यस उपासनात् गुण संधि ह्रीर्मद्यात् चाप्रणयात् च प्लस समृद्धिरनयात् विसर्ग संधि प्रवासाश्रयान् मैत्री दिस इज अनुनासिक संधि Anunasika, the only Anunasika Sandhi. Takara becomes Nakara because of Ma. Atra vayam sthapayama shubham bhuyat.